Like every piece of Majorlift equipment, its tough, versatile and simple to use vertical transmission jacks are built to do the job rapidly and safely, time after time. And all the components are engineered to the highest possible specification in Majorlift's UK factory. Manoeuvring heavy gearboxes and transmissions is a tough task and can be hazardous. But Majorlift's transmission jacks make this a safe, simple job that can be handled by just one mechanic. This jack is particularly useful for operation with column lifts. The jack's triple extension ram provides up to 945 mm of stroke, and its rugged construction means that weights of up to 1,000 kilograms can be removed smoothly and safely. The exact method of securing a gearbox or transmission will vary for different makes of vehicle. But Majorlift's universal adapter plate is adjustable for a wide range of vehicles, and we also stock grip plates designed specifically for different makes: DAF, Land Rover, Shoguns, Voith, Scania, Volvo, and ZFs. In fact, we can even custom build new plates to your precise requirements. Now let's see the transmission jack in action. As you can see, the jack has a wide, four-legged base for absolute stability. Before starting the process, engage the wheel brakes. With its two-way tilt, the adapter can be easily adjusted to the exact position you need. Secure the transmission to the tilt head using the retaining strap or the adapter designed specifically for the transmission unit. Make sure that the load is positioned as centrally as possible to avoid destabilizing the jack. Then turn this knob clockwise to close the release valve and operate the pump handle to raise the ram. To lower the ram, turn the knob anti-clockwise a little to open the release valve. This will let the ram lower slowly. You can open the valve more to increase the speed of descent. For safety, the ram is fitted with a hose burst valve that stops it lowering in the unlikely event of a loss of pressure, or if the ram is lowered too quickly. If the ram is lowered too quickly, activating this safety device, simply close the release valve, raise the ram a little using the pump, and repeat the process more slowly. In this demonstration, we have shown the manual version, which is specifically designed for pitch use. We do, however, manufacture a similar model for use on the workshop floor. Air-assisted versions of both types are also available. So whatever the make of your vehicles, and whichever model of transmission jack you need, the answer is always Majorlift.